Dear students, in this video you are going to learn about finding coordinates of a point using section formula. Section formula is given by P of x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and y coordinate is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This formula is used to find the coordinates of point P, which divides the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio m1 is to m2. Here we are taking the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment as x comma y, then endpoints as x1 y1 and x2 y2. X coordinate of a point P is given by m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus y m2. Y coordinate is given by m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now let us solve the problems by using section formula. See here, find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 4, -3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1. For this, draw a line segment here. In this problem, endpoints of the line segments are given, that is 4, -3 and 8, 5. Line segment joining the points, that is endpoints are 4, -3 and 8, 5. And ratio is given, that is 3:1. So mark a point here. This is point P. You have to find the coordinates of point P. Take it as x, y. Ratio is 3:1. Name the endpoints of the line segment as point A and point B. Take one endpoint as x1, y1 and another endpoint as x2, y2. Now you have to find the x coordinate and y coordinate of point P. Now to find the x coordinate, let us find the x coordinate and y coordinate separately. Now x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. X coordinate of point P, that is equal to, what is m1? Take it as m1 and m2. First ratio is m1, then second one as m2. Now see here, m1 x2, that is 3 into 8 plus m2 x1, that is 1 into 4 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 3 plus 1. 3 8s are 24 plus 1 4s are 4 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4. So 28 by 4, that is equal to 7. 4 1s are 4 7s are. So x coordinate of point P is 7. Now find the y coordinate. Formula to find the y coordinate of point P is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now see here, m1 y2, 3 into 5 plus m2 y1, that is 1 into -3 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 3 plus 1. Now 3 5s are 15, plus 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 by 4. 15 minus 3 is 12 by 4, that is equal to 3. Therefore, coordinates of the point which divides the line segment is equal to coordinates of the point which divides the line segment. Is equal to P of xy. That is point P. The coordinates are 7, 3. Look at the next question. Find the point P, that is minus 4, 1, divides the line segment joining the points A, 2, minus 2 and B in the ratio 3:5. Find the point B. Now here, draw a line. The point P divides the line segment, means point P lies on the line. Point P lies on the line. Line segment joining the points A and B. So the end points of the line segment are A and B. Now coordinates of point A is given, that is 2, minus 2, and coordinates of point B is not given. You have to find. Ratio is given, that is 3:5. Now coordinates of point P is given, that is minus 4, 1. The point minus 4, 1 divides the line segment joining the points 2, minus 2 and point B in the ratio 3:5. Now find point B. Now take the left end point as x1, y1 and right end point as x2, y2. Then coordinates of point B, P as x, y, then ratio m1 and m2. Now formula is x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now here x coordinate of the point which divides is there, that is x is equal to minus 4. So right here x is equal to minus 4 is equal to m1. m1 is 3 into x2. x2 is not there, so 3x2 plus m2 is 5, x1 is 2, so 5 into 2 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. So minus 4 is equal to 3x2 plus 10 divided by 8. So take 8 to the left hand side, that becomes minus 4 into 8 is equal to 3x2 plus 10. So 3x2 plus 10 is equal to minus 32. I interchange left hand side and right hand side. Now 3x2 is equal to minus 32 minus 10 plus 10 when it comes to the right hand side, that becomes minus 10. So 3x2 is equal to minus 42. x2 is equal to minus 42 by 3 is equal to minus 14. So x2 is equal to minus 14. Now let us find y2. That is y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Y is there, that is 1 is equal to m1 is 3 into y2 is not there, so write as y2 only, plus m2 that is 5 into y1 that is minus 2 divided by m1 plus m2 that is 3 plus 5. So 1 is equal to 3 into y2 is 3y2 plus 5 into minus 2 is minus 10 by 8. So 1 into 8 is equal to 3y2 minus 10. So 3y2 minus 10 is equal to 8. 3y2 is equal to 8 plus 10. 3y2 is equal to 8 plus 10 is 18. So y2 is equal to 18 by 3. That is equal to 6. Therefore, point B, what we have taken? We have taken it as x2 comma y2. That is x2 is minus 14 comma y2 is 6. So minus 14 comma 6. Now look at the next question. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection. What do you mean by trisection? Points of trisection means points dividing the line into 3 equal parts. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points A 2, minus 2 and B minus 7, 4. Line segment joining the points means end points of the line segment are given. That is A and B. A is 2, minus 2. B is minus 7, 4. Now you have to find the points of trisection. Means line is divided into 3 equal parts. One part, 2 part, then 3 equal parts. Let this point as P and this point as Q. Now line is divided into 3 equal parts, AP, PQ and QB. Now you have to find the coordinates of point P and coordinates of point Q. Now the line is divided into 3 equal parts. So the ratio is 1 is to 1 is to 1. AP is to, PQ is to, QB is equal to 1 is to 1 is to 1. Now you have to find the coordinates of point P, then coordinates of point Q. Now to find P, what is the ratio? That is, you have to write the ratio AP is to PB. AP is to PB is equal to 1 is to 2. And the left end point as x1, y1, right end point as x2, y2, and ratio to find point P is ratio m1, m2. m1 is 1, m2 is 2. Now Let us find the coordinates of point P. That is, x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. What is m1? m1 is 1 into x2, that is minus 7, plus m2 is 2 into x1, that is 2, divided by m1 plus m2, that is 1 plus 2. So x is equal to minus 7 plus 4 by 3. Minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3 by 3 is equal to minus 1. 3 ones are 3 ones are. That is, x is equal to minus 1. Now, y coordinate is equal to y coordinate of point P. That is, y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now y is equal to, what is m1? m1 is 1 into y2 is 4 plus m2 is 2 into y1 is minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2, that is equal to 4 minus plus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 by 3, that is 4 minus 4 is 0 by 3 is equal to 0. Therefore y is equal to 0. Therefore coordinates of point P are minus 1, 0. X coordinate is minus 1, y coordinate is 0. Now we got the coordinates of point P is equal to minus 1, 0. Now next we have to find the coordinates of point Q. Now to find the coordinates of point Q, ratio is AQ is to QB. AQ is to QB. That is, Q divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2 is to 1. So M1 is 2, M2 is 1. Now X is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 divided by M1 plus M2. So X is equal to M1 is here 2 into X2 is minus 7 plus M2 is 1 into X1 is 2 divided by 2 plus 1, that is X is equal to minus 14. 2 into minus 7 is minus 14 plus 2 divided by 3. So X is equal to minus 12 by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are, that is equal to minus 4. So we got one coordinate of point Q, that is minus 4. Now let us find the y coordinate, that is y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now y is equal to, what is m1? m1 is 2 into y2 is 4 plus m2 is 1 into y1 is minus 2 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 1. So y is equal to 2 4s are 8 plus 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2 by 3. So 8 minus 2 is 6 by 3 is equal to 2. Therefore y is equal to 2. Therefore coordinates of point Q is equal to, x coordinate is minus 4, y coordinate is 2. Therefore coordinates of the points of trisection of the line AB are minus 1 comma 0 and minus 4 comma 2. Coordinates of point of trisection is equal to minus 1 comma 0 and minus 4 comma 2. Look at the next question. If A and B are 4 comma minus 5 and 4 comma 5 respectively, find the coordinates of point P such that AP is equal to 2 by 5 of AB and P lies on the line segment AB. Now endpoints of the line segment are A and B. A is 4 comma minus 5, B is 4 comma 5. Now find the coordinate of point P. P lies on the line segment AB. P lies on the line segment AB. P lies on the line segment AB such that AP by AB is equal to 5, 2 by 5. AP by AB is equal to 2 by 5. So what about AP by PB? AP by PB is equal to 2 by 3. Here AP is 2. AP by PB is equal to 2 is to 3. Here AP by AB is given, that is 2 by 5. Whole length is 5. So AP is 2, PB is 3. So AP is to PB is equal to 2 is to 3. Now first endpoint is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Then coordinates of point P as x, y. Then m1 and m2. Now you have to find the coordinates of P, that is x and y. X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. So x is equal to, what is m1? 2 into 4. 2 into 4 plus 3 into 4 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 3. So x is equal to 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12 divided by 5. X is equal to 20 by 5. So x is equal to 4. And to find y coordinate, formula is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 y2 2 into 5 plus m2 y1 that is 3 into minus 5 divided by m1 plus m2 2 plus 3. So y is equal to 10 minus 15 plus 3 into minus 5 is minus 15 divided by 5. So y is equal to 10 minus 15 is minus 5 by 5. So y is equal to 5 ones are 5 ones are, that is minus 1. Therefore, coordinates of point P we have taken it as x comma y, that is equal to 4 comma minus 1. These are the problems related to finding the coordinates of a point by using section formula.